Uh, hey there. You. Yeah, you. I want some ice cream. Now here, I got some ice cream from Culver's that I'll be reviewing today. I don't know if Culver's is in any of the other states, but I know it's in Wisconsin, and that's where I live. So, I'm gonna be reviewing the ice cream. It's like caramel pecan something. There's like two other words I don't care to memorize. We're gonna be reviewing it. This looks pretty vanilla. Tasted like vanilla. I'm gonna try some caramel pecan part. Very caramely, very pecan-y. Thank you for watching, and watch the next one.